Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Predicting the Future. Today I want to talk about
the stock market and Wall Street,
and why you are losing money in the market. To begin, let's play a game. Suppose you have a coin, I have a coin. If we both show up with the head, then I give you $3. If we both show up with the tail, I give you $1. But if you show up with the head, I show up with the tail, then you give me $2. If you show up with the tail, I show up with the head, same, you give me $2. So this is what I just mentioned. But here, let's say we represent two parties. One is wolf, one is sheep. We are on the stock market. So he's playing a coin game on the stock market. The wolf show up with the head with probability y. So the probability of showing with tail is 1 minus y. The sheep showing head, the probability of showing head is x. Let s be the sheep, and w be the y, be the wolf. So expected value of s is the expected earning of the sheep in the stock market. So the wolf goal is to win in the stock betting game indefinitely, no matter how the sheep plays the game. So what the wolf wants is the expected value of s is less than 0. So is that possible? It seems to be a fair game, right? So it's both $4. So the wolf have a chance, same chance of seems to have the same chance of getting earning $4, and same for the sheep earning $4. What the wolf wants is the expected value of s is less than 0. S is the earnings of the sheep. And let's see what it looks like if we expand it. So the expected value of s is expected return $3 times the probability of y, probability x, plus 1 times the probability 1 minus y, 1 minus x, plus minus 2 times 1 minus y times x, minus 2 times 1 minus x times y. So that will be the expected value of the sheep's earnings. We simplify this form. That will become 8x minus 3 times y minus 3x plus 1 less than 0. This is what the wolf wants. They want the expected value less than 0. So if x is greater than 3 over 8, then ax minus 3 is greater than 0. So we can move this ax minus 3 over the other side of the equation. So that will be y less than 3x minus 1 over 8x minus 3. So the function 3x minus 1 over 8x minus 3 is, if we draw the graph, it looks like this. So the function goes to plus infinity and minus infinity at value when x equal to 3 over x. So in that case, when the ax minus 2 is greater than 0, which is x greater than 3 over 8, this function 3x minus 1 over ax minus 3 has a minimum, because the function is a decreasing function, has a minimum when x is equal to 1. So in that case, the wolf only has to show up its coin with head with probability less than 2 over 5. But what if the sheep head showing a probability of head is less than 3 over 8? In that case, ax minus 3 is less than 0, and the function is also decreasing, and it has a maximum when x is equal to 0. So in that case, when x is equal to 0, y only has to be greater than 1 over 3. So in conclusion, as long as the wife's probability of showing his head is between 1 over 3 and 2 over 8, then no matter how the sheep plays the game, no matter how he shows us the head with any probability between 0 and 1, the sheep always lose. So there's no way the sheep will win in this game.
how the money comes in, how the money comes in.
In the real stock market, there is a big wolf.
Manipulate the stock market?
And it's called the Renaissance technology. It's the real wolf in the stock market. It's founded by a mathematician called Jim Simons. So on its website, this is the description on its website. Renaissance Technology is a quantitative investment management company trading in global financial market dedicated to producing exceptional returns for its investors by strictly adhering to the mathematical and statistical methods.
Investment would be upwards of $60,000.
And Renaissance Technologies only has mathematicians, statisticians. Let's see what the news is talking about this company. This is a secret company. Bloomberg Business Week. So most people on the Wall Street have a tough time explaining the Medallion Fund. Medallion Fund is the fund managed by the Renaissance Technology. Managed by a hedge fund company, Renaissance Technologies. The most common answer is to just shrug and call it a money printing press. Currently open only to Rentex employees and a few other people connected to the firm. It's generated average annual returns of close to 70% before fees since 1988, without ever suffering a yearly loss. After fees, it's had one down year. CNBC. Using his mathematical background and large set of data, Simon sets out to build computer models that he believed could identify and profit from patterns in the market. His algorithms are based on data from as far back as the 1700s, according to Zachman, and they take advantage of even the smallest and shortest fluctuations in prices. The advantage holding period is 2 days. Simon's unconventional background has proliferated throughout the firm, which is known for hiring people with PhDs in math and physics rather than traditional Wall Street players. So, Renaissance Technologies is the wolf of Wall Street. Please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for the following videos. Thank you.